Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosemary, and today we're going to be cleaning what is my homeschooling center for my two little ones. So let's get to this cleaning because it is a little bit of a disaster. So you just saw the top. This is the bottom. And before we get to picking things up, let us go through and make sure we get anything that's wet and wipe it up before it gets on anything. So we're just going to wipe this up with a damp washcloth before it sticks and dries or gets on your clothes or anything. So that's out of the way. Next, we have a ton of cards under there to get. These cards are used for my littlest because he is at the stage of learning. It's exciting. Really nice and tiny so I can just sit down here and collect the cards easy. The only plus thing, I guess, about being fun size. Cutie little. Cutie kids, get it. I love these flashcards. What people think that just, oh, doing this is gonna do it. It's just, the whole thing is repetition. You want repetition when teaching the tots. And look, now we got all this. And let's clean anything else out real fast. This ball. Hi, I got it. Okay, let's move on to the top. So here is the learning station. I have my glasses down like this because there's a glare. But here is the learning station. We have crayons, Play-Doh, paper, activity sheets, spirals, glue, flashcards, markers, everything you need. Scissors, paints, plants for visual happiness. We're all around here. So we're just gonna tidy this area up. See, I have all my paints. There's a lot of paint stuff in the sink right now too that I have to go through and pick up and clean and then put back over here because I have my paints right over here actually. Let me show you. Right over here. There's the paints. We used this earlier. We love to get messy here. So grab all the flashcards. We use these daily, as well as little fun videos. Sing-along ones. They're so fun. Got my caddy here. It gets lots of Play-Doh. We have also here like a Play-Doh tools bucket. You can put that in there, just stuff you use for Play-Doh. Got lots of trash over here that we gotta throw away. I'm just gonna throw it under the table because I'm gonna sweep it later. And now we're just going through and picking up the paper, closing spirals because they use these spirals all day. So many spirals. See, we got reading spiral. So I'm just gonna gather these spirals together. Another one. Now, just more Play-Doh. And more fun activity cards. Okay, I'm back to putting stuff away. Got folders, books to refer to for tomorrow. Let's put our cubbies. We keep the iPad here because this is where we do our morning Zoom calls. But we're all done cleaning this area. We're gonna just sweep. Keep this in handy as close spot because we like to make books as little kids. We love to make books as little kids. For some reason, we just love to. And we didn't ask for it, but I'm gonna give it to you. Some nice sweeping. I've got a dustpan on a handle so I don't have to really go that far down to the ground to pick it up. This is all from today. We had crumbled up Play-Doh. We have paper, dry paint chips, and now we sweep it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye everyone.